Okay, so all I've done so far is prime and black, and then a zenithal highlight on this Mobile Brigada for our infinity. Now the red here is going to be like 2 drops of flow aid to 1 drop of red. It's very diluted. And I'm going over more like a wash than painting it on, because it's going to take several coats, but I really want the zenithal highlight to work. So here I'm mixing a little flesh tone with the red, and I'm going to basically mark out some more highlights and try and increase the contrast. The zenithal has worked so far, but I want to pop the contrast just a little bit more. So the highlight looks a little more pink to me than I wanted. I was going more for an oranger tone. So what I'm going to do to increase the contrast is I'm going with a hull red for the shadows, and then I'm going to wash it again with the regular red wash that I made. So basically when you're highlighting red, you got 2 choices. You can use whites, you get more pink, and you can use oranges and yellows. The flesh tone I picked I thought had more yellows in it, because I was going for that type of highlight, but it turned a little more pink than I had wanted, so putting the wash over it seems to work. Alright, so I started the same way I always do skin, as I did the base layer of brown rose and add a little red on the cheeks, blended it in. I used some light flesh tone to do a glaze and soften it all. And I painted the eyes in. What I'm doing now is I'm taking some brown rose and I'm going back through it and cutting in like the eyelids above and below the eyes to get this where they're not so big. take some game color. This is a library green. And again, diluted it. I think I diluted a little too much this time, but or I just had my brush too wet. I'm gonna start painting all these little highlights here in the creases and stuff, just to. And I'm okay with it being wet like this because I want more of a glow effect where that's not going to be, where it's going to bleed over just a little bit. So it's this video, I changed it up a little bit. Let me know what you guys think. I instead of speeding up all the film and doing it at like a 2 or 4 time on the paint part of it, I just reduced the amount of film used for the paint and did it all at real time. I don't know if it's easier to see, but overall here is the Mobile Brigada for Infinity, the game, and she is part of the Nomad faction. But again, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, the whole nine. Same as always. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate the views and the likes and everything. And I'll keep them coming. Thanks.